Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is gwallt, which means hair. Gwallt, as in stale gwallt, hairstyle. Gwallt, hair.